one picture of
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ for someone who doesn't get to live at home as much is my most favorite place. But apart from that, ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ I just keep visiting all the places around Bangalore that bring back memories from my childhood or from my college days. Sweet Chariot, Corner House, Koshi's, Airlines, Donne Biryani, Nagarjuna, so many places.
ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನನಗೆ ರಿಚ್ಮಂಡ್ ಟೌನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರ್. ರಿಚ್ಮಂಡ್ ಟೌನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ದೇರ್, Baldwin's and Bishop Cotton, so I've spent a big part of my life there. And Indiranagar because this is home. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೃತಿ ಖರ್ಬಂದ. ನಾನೀಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈವಾ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಮೈವಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರ್. I think what I love about Maiva is ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ your house is going to smell divine. That's the most important thing. ಈಗ during COVID is when I realized, during the pandemic is when I realized how important it is to make your home a place that you want to keep coming back to, or the place that you can, it's the one place that you can make it your own kind of temple. And I started exploring new things, and that's when I came across their website for the first time. ನನಗೆ ವೆನಿಲಾ ಪೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಕರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೆನಿಲಾ ಪೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಹೋಮ್. ಸೊ the first thing that I bought off of their website was the vanilla pound cake candle. Is that right? Yeah. The candle. And actually my house smelled not just vanilla but like a bakery, and I absolutely loved it. So adgoskara I think I started shopping on their website even more. Today when I've come for the launch of the store is when I've realized that there is so much more that is happening behind at Maiva. It's not just the great products. Everything is handmade. Everything is, it's about empowerment. It's about recycling. So I think they're just doing everything correctly, and shopping at Maiva would be a contribution to the artisans and to the women who are creating these products, and for us to go global with a name that can really put us on the map. So a big congratulations to everyone at Maiva, and I hope it does really well.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
Bangalore. Are there any other places you like in Bangalore?
Oh, I love Sweet Chariot. Absolutely love Sweet Chariot. The chicken lasagna, which they've discontinued, and the chocolate cookie, which still exists. Because I used to go to school. I was in Bishop Cotton's. I was in Baldwin's and Bishop Cotton's, so that used to be my favorite joint. The most affordable one we had for school students. And LCD, of course, Lavelle Road Coffee Day.
Yeah.
That was another hangout place. Speaker is another place I absolutely love. Apart from that, Shiv Sagar in Commercial Street. So I've always been a foodie. I've always loved food of every kind. For me, Donne Biryani is another favorite. So every time I come, that's something that always comes home. I have to bring Donne Biryani at home. So there are lots of places. I can keep going on and on. Trust me, I can really go on and on.
So, did you notice anything different when you visited Bangalore after so long?
Oh, I did. I feel like the greens have gone up, which is amazing. The greenery has really, really increased. I think it's also because of the lockdown, considering no one got out, so no trees were cut.
Yeah.
And I feel like it feels like the garden city again. And that is something I totally enjoy.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I think Indiranagar has become cooler and hipper, for sure. Now with the store coming in even more. But I think it's the greenery that took my first notice. And of course, we've been... and more than anything else, I think people have all over our country changed quite a bit. I think we become warmer, nicer people. Because suddenly life has become so unpredictable. Yeah. Indiranagar Maiva store launchಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ, not just to feel good but to smell good and to look good. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ Maiva store, I think I want to congratulate everyone here before anything else. It's beautiful. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ is going to be a great investment more than anything else. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ these are all long lasting. These are all natural products that have been preserved naturally, and they not just make your home look beautiful, but I think it is great on the pocket and complete value for money.
First retail store for Maiva, Artisanal Living. Maiva is a brand owned by Ramesh Flowers Private Limited, which is owned by the Gala Group, Germany. And at Maiva we focus on, we have products that cater to the home fragrance and the home decor industry. We make dried florals that are made from natural dried botanicals that are which are hand picked by artisans. They are picked, colored.
I didn't come home, I didn't let them travel. I was supremely paranoid. And in May this year, despite having been at home for a year and a half, my parents had tested positive for COVID. So about August is the first time I came to Bangalore again for an event. But I met my parents after a year, 7 months and 23 days to be precise. And ever since then, I'm like, every time I have even one day off, I just come running. I'm like, okay, now we're vaccinated, we'll take care of it. And touch wood, Bangalore's been very good, like you have to get tested to step in also. So I feel like a little happier that my parents are here, and I feel like they're in a surrounding that's going to take care of them. So yeah, it's something else. Like I was just driving through Indranagar and just reminiscing, and when we took this turn, I'm like, okay, can someone take me to Corner House for an ice cream? I'm that girl, like I'm thinking about Corner House right now. As wrong as it is, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. The heart wants what it wants. And yeah, lots of things. I want to have breakfast at Koshi's, eat at Corner House, go to airlines for a nice idli. Like, oh my god, I'm looking forward to it, but I'm flying back. I don't have a choice.
You can keep coming back now.
Oh, I wish it was that simple. I think COVID made it very difficult. You're able to travel the world, but you're so afraid to step into your own home because you don't want to complicate lives for anyone else. But having said that, this opportunity came at the perfect time because I'm like, oh, I have a day off. And I actually get to go back home after an event after a very long time. So I'm looking forward to it. That mummy brings home and it just smells like a bakery. So I think that's my favorite scent here. And it just brings back a lot of my childhood. And that's something that I thoroughly enjoy. So that's my favorite product here. But now having come into the store, while I've loved the portal online and I've loved shopping there online, I think the excitement happens when you're able to see things around you and actually smell them in real and know that, you know, what's written, what the description is actually matches the scent. Because a lot of times you don't get what you think you're going to get online. But with Maiva, I think my personal experience has been so beautiful and quite perfect that very frankly, I was very excited when I was asked to come here. I was like, oh wow, so excited. And now I saw the Christmas collection and I'm like, oh, I want a tree at home. I want to host like a really cool dinner with all of that in the center.
I think this company is older than you, much.
Thanks. It's true. You know, he said 82, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
That's a long time before my parents weren't even married at that point. So it's been, they've had quite a journey. But I think, especially through the lockdown now, everyone suddenly started to value their surroundings and the importance of having a good feeling home, because that's where we were just stuck there. And you know, after a point it didn't feel like we were stuck at home. Now we like the vibe at home because everyone wants to decorate their home and you want it to smell good and smell fresh. And in my house especially, because I have a dog, I make sure that I have enough potpourri and I have enough scented candles, because otherwise Drogo and Puchki together can make quite a mess. So I've understood the value of having a home that feels like summer in a bowl. It really should feel like that. Like you come home and you smell something so warm and you look at something and it's pleasing to the eye, and you don't feel like you're stuck in a surrounding that doesn't feel warm and nice. It's as simple as that.
Is a total with the so that's a set. That's a set.
Very, very cool.
And this is like our Nalini range. So scented tea lights, candles, some metal containers.
Nalini range. Any specific reason you named it?
We just named it Nalini. The fragrance we use in this is Water Lotus.
Wow.
And so we just came up with the Nalini.
Very nice.
And for this year, we launched Anagha. So this is our launch for this year. Anagha, and we designed the Lakshmi Ji completely from scratch. It has been illustrated, and we came up with this puja box. So it's a complete solution. It's like if somebody wants to do puja, it has 28 items in it, and it comes with a card and the Lakshmi feet. It comes with everything that you need typically for the puja. Incense, the brass, diya, and everything.
Very, very nice. Very stunning. Yeah, I would definitely pick this up. 100%. It just solves a lot of my job.
Yeah, you don't have to collect and look
I'm
for
for
items.
someone who's lived with a family all her life, and then I moved out and I have to call mama and say, Puja mein kya kya rakhna hai, this just becomes easier. Like, forget about gifting it to someone else, I would give it to myself first. I would know everything. I would impress my neighbors.
And this is a coconut actually. Puja mein we keep coconut.
Yeah.
So like embellished coconut. So we work on the coconut. So you can just keep it as it is.
Beautiful.
So this goes with the red tea. And that goes with
The pink.
with the another.
This and this is same.
Yeah, the same. And even all these from the iridescent candle jars, the iridescent motives, all of that. We have the jumbo attached.
Oh wow, that's stunning. You think like it'll last you the entire year, I feel.
Yeah, more
This
than that.
Diwali se agle Diwali tak till you can get a new one or refill
More
this
than
one.
that. So these are as for weddings and
Yeah,
for like
yeah.
other, even for Diwali people buy a lot of these, and again everything is handmade.
Yeah.
Everything is
shown up.
Shula, colored, natural.
And इसके साथ like
This is for the entry of the door and everything.
entry of the door, yeah, absolutely. Even this is one of our torals, the Shubhata toral. Again for weddings and stuff. Very very nice.
Opportunity, different colors, depending on,
I'm a very big fan of yellow.
Yeah.
Like I feel it stands out very beautifully. This is okay. We'll stand here. It's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Frames, people add mirror or they add photographs or reeds for the doors or
I think I like round stuff a lot. Very nice.
these were this was our Rakhi launch this year.
Oh wow.
These are all made by Rakhi.
How nice. Oh, that's why it's a Rakhi. I thought it was a bookmark.
Yeah, these are envelopes and tags actually for the gifts. Like if you want like this tag, again made by artisans. But this was a Rakhi and
So
then
everything you have is handmade.
yeah.
Everything is.
Yeah.
Except the candles were.
Yeah, of course, those-
But all the florals and all these candles.
So now something like this is also handmade. It's done by hand. The finish on the candle, the metallic finish, and all that's done by hand.
So,
So otherwise, the cupcakes are done by hand. But otherwise, we have large maids. We have a massive
Yeah.
factory over there, which
Yeah.
um,
yeah, about 3,500
You should
employees.
mention that. I was like, wow, that's a lot of people. That's
These
that
are-
much employment also.
yeah, these are our zodiac candles. So we have like for every zodiac.
You actually get made according to the zone, like
No,
the
it's
sun
just-
sign, or you just
No, just different fragrances.
Acha.
Make a combo.
Nice.
Just as a gifting solution, somebody wants to give something.
It's so
to
convenient.
the zodiac. It's very convenient.
Oh, this is your pound cake candle.
Yeah, this is a pound cake.
Smells like a bakery. I've been told.
And so that's pretty much it. Those are some of our gift boxes as well on top over there. So we some springy stuff, some festive stuff.
Very, very nice.
Anybody just wants. These are again a home of that. Yeah. So people really like it a lot. They make names out of them. This is our everyday collection. Just plain white tea lights, white print.
Oh, this. So these are candles.
Yeah. And then we also have these gift boxes. If anybody wants a gift box,
Curated.
Curated, you can.
And these are embellishments. You can buy embellishments ready-made, or you just put in a box. Just give the embellishment on the box.
Yeah, then you don't have to pack.
You don't have-
Fill in the embellishment.
Yeah, yeah. And it comes with a DST on the back.